Hello students, welcome to my channel Computer Science Made Easy. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss subtraction of binary number and division of binary number. So let's focus on subtracting binary numbers. Subtraction of binary numbers. Okay, so let's start with the basics. What is, if I say 1 minus 1, what is 1 minus 1? It is simply 0. What is 1 minus 0? It is 1. What is 0 minus 0? The result is 0. Next is, what if I say 0 minus 1? What is 0 minus 1? The result is 1, and we have to take borrow from the next most significant digit. We have to take borrow from next MSD. So let's see how this subtraction is going to take place. Okay, suppose if you have a number, if I say subtract 1 from 1 0. Now see, if we are going to convert 1 0 into decimal, the result is 2, and 0 1 in decimal is 1. If this is my binary and this is decimal, so 0 1 of binary is 1 in decimal, 1 0 in binary is equivalent to 2 in decimal. Clear? So now see here, 1 0 minus 1. What do? We will take borrow from this next MSD, means this I cannot subtract 1 from 0, so I am going to take borrow from this next MSD, that is 1. So taking borrow means taking 1 out of this digit. So if I take 1 out of this digit, that means 1 minus 1, so it will become 0 and it will become 1 0. It will become 1 0, and the decimal equivalent of 1 0 is 2. So 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So 1 0 minus 1 is equals to 1 in binary. Clear? So remember this thing, 1 0 minus 1 is equals to 1 always. This is the rule that you have to remember. Clear? Okay, now let's take some examples. First example 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. I wish to subtract these two numbers from each other in using binary subtraction. So now see this, 1 0, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 0 1, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So this is the result of my first subtraction. Clear? So let's move to the other example. Second example is 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1. I wish to subtract these two binary numbers. So now what were the rules? 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 1. Let's see it very carefully. When I wish to subtract 1 from 0, is it possible? No. So I will borrow from next MSD. This is my next MSD. I will take borrow from here. Taking borrow from here means take 1 out of it. If I am taking 1 out of it, what will it become? 0, and 1, it will become 1 0, and 1 0 minus 1 is 1. I have just told you 1 0 minus 1 is 1. So 1 0 minus 1 is 1. Again 0 minus 1, I cannot subtract this, so I have to take borrow from the next MSD, that is this. So taking 1 out of this, 1 minus 1 will become 0, and here 1 0 will come. 1 0 minus 1 is 1, and 0 minus 0 is 0. So this is my result. Let's take one more example. Next is 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, now let's solve this. 0 minus 1, is it possible? Can I subtract 1 from 0? No. So I have to take borrow from the next MSD. I cannot take borrow from here, it is already 0. So let's move to the next MSD. Can I take borrow from here? No. Let's move to the next MSD. Okay. In this, can I take borrow from this from 1? Yes. So take 1 out from this one. If I am going to take 1 out, means subtract 1 from this one. So it will become 0 and it will become 1 0. It will become 1 0. And as we have discussed, 1 0 minus 1 is equals to 1. Now here again I have to take borrow from this number. So take 1 out of 1 0. It will become 1. It will become 1 0. Now again actually we have to start subtraction from here. So in order to reach here I have to take borrow from this number, subtract 1 from here, 1 will remain here and 1 0. Now 1 0 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 0 minus 0 is 0. So this was the result of binary subtraction. I hope now you are clear with the concept of binary subtraction. Now let's move further towards binary division. Now see, the method to perform division of two binary numbers is same as that of decimal number. Let's take one example. If I take an example 110, I want to divide a number 110 from 10. What is the procedure? First of all, it is same as that of decimal, except that the multiplications and the subtractions that we are going to perform, it will comply to the rules of binary numbers. Clear? So let's see. 10, first of all, we will talk about these two digits. 10 into 1. What will be the result? 10. So subtract these two digits. 1 minus 0 is 1. Clear? And 1 minus 1 is 0. So take this digit down. It will become 10. Again 10 into 1 is 10. Result will be 0. Clear? This is how we are going to perform binary division. It is very simple. Let's take one more example. My next example is I want to divide a number 10000111 with 1001. Clear? I want to divide this number from 1001. Let's see what is the procedure. Now first of all, can I subtract 1000 from 1001? No. Now see, how is it possible? How I am saying no? 1001. See, 100 is equivalent to decimal 8 and 1001 is equivalent to 9. Can I divide 8 by 9? No. So since I cannot divide it by 9, so I will take 0 and here I will take 5 digits till here. Now I will take 1 here and 1001. Subtract it. Clear? Now can I subtract 0 from 1? No. 0 from 0? Yes, but in order to come here we have to solve this first. Again that subtraction method that we have just discussed we have to follow. We will go to here, here and finally here. Take 1 out of, borrow 1 from this, it will become 0 and it will become 10. Clear? Now take borrow from this. So I've just told you 10 minus 1 result is always 1. Clear? So see this. I'm going to take 1 out of 10. What will come here? 1 and it will become 10. Again I'm going to take 1 borrow from 10. Take 1 out from this and it will become 10. Take 1 out of this, it will become 1 0 and this will become 1. Clear? Now 1 0 minus 1 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. Clear? Take next digit downwards, that is 1. Again it will go on 1. It will be 1 0 0 1. Subtract it. 1 minus 1 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So take one more digit here, that is 1. Again it will go on 1. It will be 1 0 0 1. Let's subtract it. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Let's take down one more digit, that is 1. It will go on 1. So it will be 1 0 0 1. It will whole will cancel by itself and the result will be 0. I hope division is also clear to you. Thank you, students.